Hey, hello from Thailand. Today I thought I'd share something a little different with you guys. Oh, by the way, 7 months today I've lived in Thailand full time. I wanted to talk to you about wardrobe. A lot of videos out there talking about, what you need to do to prepare to come to Thailand to live here full time, what you need to do once you get here, visa stuff, transportation stuff, banking account stuff, all important information. I've shared information like that myself in some of my videos. But I thought I'd share with you some experience or give you some tips, some helpful advice on wardrobe choices. For example, I packed 2 pairs of jeans, long pants. And since I've been here 7 months, I have worn them twice. Both times was because I was on a long motorcycle ride and I needed the protection for my legs. Other than that, I have never put them on. I didn't bring any long sleeve shirts. I didn't bring a sweatshirt. I didn't bring a jacket. You might want a jacket, a rain jacket. Not necessary, but if you are that kind of person and you don't like to get wet, pack a jacket, light jacket, light. So what do you need to bring? So in my case, I wear shorts every day. I don't even wear t-shirts. T-shirts are too hot. I wear these sort of tank toppy muscle shirt things, although I don't really have the guns to support it. However, here's what I did. Here's what you should do, or at least think about doing. And I recommend you bring your clothes from wherever you're coming from, especially the United States, because if you're a man and you're slightly bigger, not Thai, it's really hard to find clothes that fit. Clothing's inexpensive, and some of it's really nice, but it's really hard to find something to fit. For example, in a t-shirt here, I'm a 4XL. In reality, I'm an XL. So that gives you some perspective. So what do I pack? What did I pack? What do I wear? I don't think I have a thing here that's actually from Thailand. Oh no, I do. Hats. I bought a couple hats here. So I wear a lot of these types of muscle shirts. I very rarely wear a t-shirt, but when I do, I wear a very light t-shirt. Every once in a while, I'll throw on a hat. These ones I bought here in Thailand, they're just so freaking cool looking. I wear sports shorts or board shorts. That's pretty much the only thing I wear every day, all day. I have like 6 colors. I have probably about 15 different tank top shirts. As mentioned, a couple pairs of jeans. And of course, you have to have a bathing suit. What's the other accessory? A lot of people wear shoes. I don't do shoes. I hate wearing socks. So I'm a flip-flop guy, but a lot of people do wear tennis shoes. So if that's your thing, okay. But you don't need to. So I do have 3 different styles of flip-flops. One is sort of hard to describe, but it's made by Reef. And the reason I picked it up to show you is because the bottom, it's a very hard sole. This one's pretty heavily worn out. And the reason why I chose these is because of the hard sole. I ride a motorcycle and I ride a scooter. So it can handle the traction and the wear better out on the street when you're dragging your foot along the ground to slow down. Then I also wear a traditional True Blue Beach flip-flop. And then I wear these suckers, super cushy. And I wear these when I'm walking around town. Outside of that, the only other accessory you really need when it comes to apparel is a helmet when you ride your scooter or motorcycle. So anyway, I thought this would be helpful, give you some insights. So if you're planning a trip to Thailand or anywhere in Southeast Asia for that matter, pack accordingly. Do not bring a jacket. Do not bring a sweatshirt. Do not wear or bring too many pairs of pants. You'll never need a long sleeve shirt. I think that's it. I hope that helps.